Welcome back to our channel, your go to destination for all the things about Indian history and culture. Today, we are delving into the life and the legacy of a remarkable figure of Indian history, Chakravarti Raja Gopalachari, also known as C. Raja Gopalachari. He was not an influential politician and statesman but also the first recipient of the Indian highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna. So, join us as we explore the incredible journey of India's first Bharat Ratna. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, or simply Rajaji, was born on December 10, 1878 in Thorapalli, Tamil Nadu. He hailed from a simple devout family of a strong ties of Indian culture and spiritual heritage. His early education in Salem and Madras laid the foundation of his remarkable future. Rajaji's political career began during the Indian National Congress early days, where he collaborated closely with Mahatma Gandhi. He played a significant role in Indian independence movement. His contributions were multifaceted and spanned several key aspects of the struggle of Indian freedom. Raja Gopalachari was an early follower of Mahatma Gandhi and actively participated in the non-cooperation movement launched by Gandhi in 1920. He played a crucial role in Salt March of 1930, a pivotal event during the civil disobedience movement. Marching alongside Mahatma Gandhi, Raja Gopalachari was among the most prominent leaders who defied the British salt laws and produced salt from Arabian Sea. After India gained independence in 1947, C. Raja Gopalachari continued to play a significant role in various capacities, making substantial independence contribution to the nation. As Governor General, one of his most important tasks to facilitate the integration of the numerous princely states into the newly independent Indian Union. His diplomatic skills and ability to negotiate with the princely ruler played a pivotal role in this process. Rajaji was a proponent of India's non-alignment policy during Cold War era. He believed that India should maintain its independence and neutrality in the international conflicts, promoting peaceful coexistence and diplomacy. Raja Gopalachari was a member of Indian Parliament, representing his views and contributing to legislative debates on various issues, including foreign policy, ethics and governance, and economic development. Raja Gopalachari drafted the Swaraj Declaration, which outlined the demands of Indian National Congress for full independence from British rule. This document emphasized the need for complete self-rule and rejection of dominion status. He also made significant contribution to education in India, particularly during his tenure as Premier of Madras Presidency from 1937 to 1940. Raja Gopalachari was a strong advocate for education in mother tongue. He believed that education should be accessible and meaningful to common people, and promoting vernacular languages was key to achieving this goal. During his time as a premier, he encouraged the use of Tamil as a medium of instruction in his school, which was seen as way to make education more accessible to the local population. C. Rajagopalachari's legacy lies on a symbol of unwavering commitment to India's independence and the principle of truth and non-violence. His contribution to the nation and his intellectual prowess have left an indelible mark on Indian history. It is no surprise that he was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor in 1954. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life and contribution of Bharat Ratna awardee C. Rajagopalachari. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more such stories about remarkable individuals who have shaped the course of history, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing tapestry of Indian history. Thank you.